In a faraway kingdom surrounded by lush green hills and sparkling rivers, there lived a little Barbie princess named Lily. She was known throughout the land for her golden locks, sparkling blue eyes, and most of all, her kind heart. Despite living in a grand castle filled with treasures, Princess Lily loved spending her days in the royal garden, where flowers of every color bloomed under the care of the palace gardener, Mr. Twigles. Among the thousands of flowers in the garden, one was particularly special to Lily, a single red rose that stood in the center of the garden. Unlike the other roses, this one glowed faintly at night, emitting a warm, magical light. It was known as the Eternal Rose, and its legend was whispered throughout the kingdom. The rose was said to have the power to grant a wish to those pure of heart. Lily often wondered what she would wish for if she had the chance. The Festival of Blossoms Hibiscus. One bright morning, the kingdom prepared for the Festival of Blossoms, a grand celebration that marked the arrival of spring. The castle buzzed with activity as maids decorated the halls with garlands, and cooks prepared delicious treats. Lily, however, was most excited about the garden contest, where people from across the kingdom brought their finest flowers to display. As Lily wandered the garden, admiring the blossoms, she noticed something troubling. The eternal rose, which always glowed brightly, seemed to have lost its sparkle. Its petals drooped slightly, and the glow was faint. Lily's heart sank. "Mr. Twigles," she called out, her voice filled with concern. "The rose isn't looking well. What could be wrong?" The old gardener scratched his head, his bushy eyebrows furrowed. "Ah, Princess Lily, the eternal rose is not an ordinary flower. It thrives on kindness and joy, but lately, I fear the kingdom has been troubled by sorrow." Lily nodded thoughtfully. "Then I must find a way to bring happiness back to the kingdom and restore the rose's glow." A journey of kindness pedestrian #sparkles. Determined, Lily decided to travel across the kingdom to spread kindness and cheer. She packed a small satchel with essentials and donned her favorite lavender dress. Her loyal companion, a fluffy white bunny named Snowball, hopped along beside her. Her first stop was the village square, where a group of children sat in silence, their faces glum. "What's wrong, little ones?" Lily asked gently. "Our kites keep getting stuck in the big oak tree," a boy explained, pointing to a towering tree with brightly colored kites tangled in its branches. Lily smiled. "Let's fix that." Using her small hands and a sturdy stick, she carefully untangled each kite and handed it back to the children. Their laughter and cheers filled the air, and Lily's heart swelled with joy. Helping hands, open hands sign. Lily's journey continued as she helped a farmer repair his broken fence, soothed an injured bird, and even baked bread with an elderly baker who had lost her strength. Everywhere she went, Lily's kindness left a trail of smiles and gratitude. Snowball, ever the cheerful companion, entertained people with his adorable antics, earning him a few carrots along the way. By the time Lily returned to the castle, she was tired but happy. She rushed to the garden to check on the eternal rose. To her delight, the rose's petals looked fresher, and its glow had returned slightly. but it was not yet as vibrant as before. The mysterious note envelope hash. The next morning, Lily found a small note tucked under her bedroom window. It read, "To restore the eternal rose, you must find the heart of the garden, where true magic lies." Intrigued, Lily showed the note to Mr. Twiggles, who nodded knowingly. The heart of the garden is a mythical place said to house the source of all floral magic. But reaching it is no easy task. Lily, undeterred, decided to embark on the quest. Armed with a map Mr. Twiggles had drawn and Snowball hopping beside her, she ventured into the deeper parts of the garden, where the flowers grew wilder, and the air was thick with enchantment. Trials of the garden tree sparkles. As Lily journeyed deeper, she encountered 3 challenges. The maze of thorns, a winding path covered in sharp, twisting brambles. With patience and her small size, Lily carefully navigated the maze, using her courage and cleverness to find her way out. The singing river, a shimmering stream that sang a mesmerizing melody. To cross it, Lily had to solve a riddle posed by the river. After some thought, she answered correctly, and stepping stones appeared to guide her across. The guardian butterflies, a swarm of giant, sparkling butterflies, blocked the path to the heart of the garden. Lily realized they were attracted to light, so she used her crystal pendant to reflect sunlight, leading them away gently. Finally, she reached a clearing bathed in golden light. In the center stood a magnificent tree with silver bark and leaves that glowed like stars. Beneath it, a smaller, glowing rose bloomed, the heart of the garden. The true wish sparkles rose. As Lily approached, the heart of the garden spoke in a soft, melodic voice. "Little princess, you have shown great courage and kindness. What is your wish?" Lily thought about the happiness she'd seen on her journey and the lessons she'd learned. She knelt before the rose and said, "I wish for the eternal rose to bloom brightly again, so it can continue to bring hope and magic to the kingdom." The heart of the garden shimmered, and a warm light enveloped Lily. "Your wish is granted, for your heart is pure." When Lily returned to the castle, the eternal rose was glowing more brilliantly than ever, its magical light spreading across the garden. The kingdom rejoiced, and the Festival of Blossoms was the happiest it had ever been. A legacy of kindness, sparkling heart. From that day on, Lily continued to spread kindness throughout the kingdom. The story of the Little Barbie Princess and the Red Rose became a cherished legend, reminding everyone that even the smallest acts of kindness could create the most magical transformations. And so, the eternal rose bloomed forever, a symbol of love, joy, and the beautiful heart of Princess Lily. Rose sparkles,